I'm now going to go through the physical simulation. So for this point in the competition, what you will need to do is show at least one full revolution of this elbow engine. Now you could do this in Inventor Studio by going up into here in Environments, Inventor Studio. But what I'm going to show is the quickest way to get the point, because it's all that matters is you get the mark for this. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to constrain this item fully. So I'm just going to put an angular constraint in from this flywheel onto here. So you can now see that this is in the upwardmost position, which is important because that's how it's shown in the drawing, which I'll show you next after this video. So the drawing we're going to do has to be exact, so just make note that this one is in the correct position. The other thing I'm going to do is I'm going to have what's called a motion constraint. So what I'm going to say is one full turn of this cylinder is the same as one full turn here. So you can see there the ratio is 1 to 1. I can hit OK. Now what you need to do is that angle I just put in there, if you right click on there and click drive, you then get this box here, and if I hit play, oh, sorry, I've done the motion constraint the wrong way around, sorry. So yeah, the same with the mate solutions, how you have mate type and flush type, you can change here to reverse, so make sure they're going around in opposite directions. Now if you right click and drive that constraint, what you can see in this box just here, you have your start angle and your end angle. So I've set it previously to 1080 degrees, which I know is 3 revolutions. If you expand this box, you can increase things. So if I say increase this to 5, it should go 5 times as fast, because it'll be 5 degrees in one step. Now if I hit record, in here I can call it physical simulation, and I've already got one there, so it's replacing it because I did one previously. And now if I hit OK, if you now press play, that will basically start recording the screen, and as you can see we've got our elbow engine going around, and once this is complete we'll have the AVI saved in our competition folder. If you hit OK, that's done. And I'm just going to go into that folder, my desktop, and in there you can see I've got an AVI file. If I double click it, you can see what we got there. So that's all you will need to do to get the mark for the physical simulation of the elbow engine. Again, if you're in the higher stand and you've got some time left, you should definitely be going into Inventor Studio and setting it up that way. But that is how you create a very quick and simple animation of your assembly.